When working with cars, you think clamps like these are more secure. Turns out they're not, because once the radiator gets hot, the plastic expands, and then this won't allow it to expand, and eventually it'll crack the plastic. So for these radiators, never use clamps that won't expand. So you got to use clamps like these rings allow it to open when the plastic expands and then close back up when it cools down. So this is more secure, more safe, and won't break your radiator. So yeah, I replaced it. Spring ring clamp. If you doubt that it's secure, go ahead and pull on it. Pretty secure.